Hi techies, welcome to Java with Harris channel. This is the cleanup activity of the EC2 storage classes. So this is the last class of the EC2 storage, but how to clean up those things, whatever we have created file systems. But in my case, I have already did some cleanup activity. Let's say if you want to delete anything, right? First of all, we have to see that the EFS and delete that, and also terminate all the instances which we have created. That is important. I think I have done all the termination. Okay, and then we have to go back. We have to go the AMI. So and delete that AMI and basically deregister that. I think automatically it will be deleted. And then the volumes which you created, EBS volumes, that also needs to be deleted. Just select it and click on the delete volume and type a delete and it will be deleted. And another things like you have to go to the snapshots and select all the snapshots and click on the actions. Same way, delete the snapshots and automatically delete everything. And another one, we have created one rule, one for the retention rule, right? So just come back to the recycle bin and then select the retention rule. Just click on the action and delete the retention rule, whatever we have done, right? So finally, in this entire process, the EFS section, right? The last class of the EFS section, what happens? Many security groups has been created. Why? Because it is internally follows the many security groups. So uh, mainly we have created one, but automatically it created during the creation time. Okay, so I have deleted some of them, but if you want to delete here the security group, right? Let's say I selected this particular one. A default one, I don't want, please don't delete it. But if I select all these things and click on action and delete the security group and type delete for here and click on the delete, you see it won't be deleted. It says success message, but you can see it's not deleted by default. Still, these two are there. The previous one was deleted, but EFS G1 instance is G1, so which is created during the EFS, instances creation with EFS, right? So what we can do to delete these things, just click on this security group and then go to verify like inbound, outbound rules. Here it is inbound rule is available. Just click on edit inbound rules and delete that NFS which is created for the inbound rule and click on the save rules. And then you can click on the action and go to delete security group and it is still associated with another one. All right. So click on this particular one. Okay, and we come back here. Yes, this security group has been selected and only we can see that security group. So just select the security group or else just click on that one. So we can see there is no inbound rule, but we can see the outbound rule here, right? So what we can do, just edit the outbound rules and these are all created by automatically. That is the beauty of the, if you select the AFS, right? So just delete this thing and delete this thing and click on save rules. And now it is fine. So just click on delete, just delete it. It's been deleted. Now you can see only one and default is the one. Just leave the default one, select the one which is created and go to the actions and click on security group. And finally it's cleaned up. So like this, what we can do, we can clean up the security group as well. Okay, that's it guys, like how to clean up everything, right? Whatever we created for the ECS storages. Thanks for watching and we'll meet in the next topic. Thank you.